Theta United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at 92 cents in an unpretentious manner. The sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is at $18,674,575, or so they truly thought. Theta organization explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at $1.10 bull control Theta's genuinely current cost activities, showing how the sort of current exchanging volume of Theta organization really is at $18,674,575, or so they basically thought. 16 December 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some things, facts, what fundamentally is transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Explicitly is Theta a genuinely wise interest in a sort of enormous manner. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of large manner. Yet, prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Theta specialized examination, in a real sense let us certainly discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,599,597,582,709 in an especially large manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $55,060,451,724, so Theta United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at 92 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP sort of, is somewhere near 1.63 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a sort of descending course for genuinely transient in a very significant manner. As of now, a really broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of, are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.63 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents, which especially is very huge. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become commonly something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how moreover, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which dealers sort of become move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in a fundamentally significant manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, fundamentally is at $1.10, up 0.08% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 6.79% throughout the week, kind of additional appearance how Theta United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents. Or so they explicitly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 18,674,575.00 United States dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to $1,096,376,869 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. There explicitly are very nearly 1 billion by and large are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, fundamentally is at $1.10, up 0.08% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.79% over the course of the week. Essentially further appearance how Theta United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 16 December 2023 inside a day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, showing how 16 December 2023. In this video we will all things considered walk you through Theta organization cost investigation for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially is transient cost expectation for Theta organization, in every way that really matters, is Theta a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Theta organization, exhibiting how 16 December 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to respond to these habitually sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, is Theta a truly wise interest in a kind of huge manner. The Theta United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer generally is showing a sort of present moment in a real sense, sell pretty sign, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath truly signal line which truly implies, certainly bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting that these occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a sort of descending heading for fundamentally transient in a very huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and by and large is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, sort of additional appearance how 16 December 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some things, facts, what essentially is by and large momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, especially is Theta for the most part wise interest in an unpretentious manner. While Theta's Williams %R pointer especially is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign in every practical sense, is entirely conceivable at this reach,